Hey there friends, in this video I'm going to show you how you can create a new project in Adobe Premiere Pro. So let's start by opening the program and giving it a few seconds to load in. So I'll also be going over some of the UI interface basics as well as how to navigate the timeline. So as you can see here, this is the welcoming screen and it should show you any recent projects you have opened. And to create a new one, simply click on the new project button you can find at the top left. So here you can choose your project name and your project location. So let's say I want to be using this as first project. I want to be naming this as first project. I'll leave the location as is, and if you'd like, you can also choose to use a template, but I'll be skipping that step for now. So now I'm going to click on create, and this should open up the import screen. So here you can select any media you'd like to add to your project and your timeline. I'll just be holding left click and dragging my mouse to select multiple videos at a time. And there. So anything you highlighted will automatically be selected and you can see the videos that you are importing here at the bottom. So I'm going to click on import and it should bring us to the timeline. So as you can see, it also automatically loaded in many of the videos into the timeline. So for example, you have a sequence of clips and they're already named appropriately. Importing them through this screen right here is very useful. If you'd ever like to go back to the import screen, you can do so by clicking on the top left, and you can also go back to the project screen here. But I'll be closing that again for now because I'm going to show you the timeline. In the middle, you have your program viewer, your program monitor rather, and this is basically what the video is looking like. So at the right side, you have your inspector or your properties tab, and at the bottom, you have your timeline. So if I move the playhead around, you can see it influences the program monitor in the middle. You can also drag and drop your clips in the timeline to reorder them any way you see fit. And most of the editing is going to be done in the timeline as well. So I'm just going to clear the timeline for now. And as you can see, if I clear them from the timeline, it doesn't delete them from the project library. So if you want to reorder them, I can do so. Reorder my videos by dragging and dropping them into the timeline as I see fit. So it's blank right now because the playhead is in an empty space. So let me move it back and press play. So as you can see, it's playing. I'll skip forward a little bit and continue watching through it. So those are going to be the basics of how you can create your first project, import media, and navigate the timeline. I hope I was able to teach you something new and something useful. And as always, thank you for watching.